Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the cells that contain formulas. Select the range now so you don't lose time. Once selected, copy them with Ctrl+C. This puts the computed results on the clipboard. Make sure to work on a duplicate sheet or saved file version so you can revert if needed. After copying, right-click and choose Paste Special. You'll focus on the Values option next. This first step turns dynamic formulas into static results without changing formatting or layout, which is why we copy first. Once done pasting values, you must verify consistency. Scan dependent cells and named ranges because values can break linked calculations. Make sure to recalculate, press F9, to confirm no residual formula behavior persists. If some cells still show formulas, use find with equals to locate and address them individually. Replace only where appropriate. Also check formatting, numbers versus text, because paste special can alter types. These checks prevent silent errors later, when someone uses the sheet for analysis or reporting. To finish, save a versioned file so you can trace back if needed. Add a suffix like values to the file name. If you encounter unexpected errors or broken totals, undo immediately or restore the backup and reselect ranges. Often a missed cell or table header caused it. Once you've confirmed totals and formats, lock the sheet or protect cells to prevent accidental edits. Troubleshooting tip: if formulas reappear or values look wrong, compare to the original copy using Excel's View Side-by-Side feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.